Oh, good evening YouTube, it's just Paul again. I'm still on this Sidebander 5. I've had quite a bit of progress today. The full cap change is done. You can see all the blue caps and the tops. So everything's done right from the oscillator all the way through the audio stage, speech expander, 27 meg filter, the filter section, RF section and power supply input. That's all done. All right, quite a lot of parts needed replacing, but I just want to show you where we're at. First of all, I'll give you an audio check on SSB. Audio 1 2, audio 1 2 1 2. Okay, now I'll do a receive test on the other radio. Audio 1 2, audio 1 2 1 2. Audio 1 2 1 2 1 2. This is upper sideband. Audio 1 2, audio 1 2. Testing 1 2. All right, so I've replaced the 2SC 1969. Also replaced the driver, the 2SC 1306, and after the cap change, we can see I'll just run in 100 meg, or just get a tone happening. Just bear with us. All right, here we go. Here's the bird watt meter. I'm not really good at whistling. On the signal generator, which it's not working at the moment, it's running at about 24 watts. PE, that's average, not even PEP. This regulator here was getting really hot. So I replaced it. It's a 2SC 1061. I've replaced it with a 2SD 313. It's not getting hot at all anymore. I've done a full alignment. So if we switch to AM, there we go. Go to channel 1. That's close enough for the moment. I still don't have RX on the radio yet, and I still don't have AM audio. But the radio's come a long way from where we started. A lot of parts have been replaced, and we're getting somewhere. All right, thank you very much for watching. Remember to comment, like and subscribe. Thank you.